Hi guys, I know I haven't done videos for so long. Welcome to my channel, Vixie. Thank you so much for visiting, and for those of you who are new, please do subscribe so you can see more of me. Anyway, in today's video, what I'm doing, I'm cleaning my makeup brushes. I'm halfway there. I've just done a video, the same video, but in Bulgarian version, because my niece wanted to watch it, but when I speak in English, she doesn't understand it, so yeah. So I'm gonna show you cleaning your makeup brushes. The first one is, I have two jugs here. The first one, in this jug I have antibacterial soap, antibacterial soap, in this with warm water, and in this one I have clean water. So what I've done is I've soaked my brushes in there, and after I have soaked them, now you can see, I'll show you from clear look how dirty that brush is. Look at that. So I have soaked it with, you have to just be careful with the head. Then I'm just doing spinning motions in the water, and you can see how it's starting to clear up. And the water is starting to get really dirty. So when that's done, squeeze out and then pop it in the clean water. And once that's done, squeeze out, and I have a dry towel. I just absorb it and I just leave it to rest here till it's dry. I'll show you from close look how it looks once that's done. Look at that. How clean is the brush? It's beautiful. So that is one of the methods. The second one I've come up with is, I'm going to use a teaser comb. The teaser comb is perfect because that one, what I do is I take one of the brush and I just look at the dirt coming down. But you have to be really careful with the bristles so you don't actually damage the brush. Just like that. Okay, and then round. Oh my, look at that. And then dry water, clean water, I mean. The water cannot be dry, only if it's, and we leave it to rest. But this is the clean brush. Is it clean? Yeah. This is the clean brush, and we leave it to rest. So this is method number 2. The faster way, number 3, is I'm popping all the brushes in here. I leave them to soak all together, and then after that I just take them out, and they're very quickly done, and then I go under the sink and I rinse them off. So this is number 3. And method number 4 is, you can build your own cleaning station, and all you have to do is just get something flat. It might be like a paper, or not paper because it's gonna get wet, of course, something plastic. So if you get something plastic, all you have to do is something like that, say, all you have to do is get like a glue and just do like zigzags, and then once the glue is dry, you just pop some washing up liquid on top, and then you start rinsing the water, and then you go with the brush like that. I've seen that on YouTube build, and it actually works really good, and I will show you the ready version similar. I got it as a gift. So this is another version. I have that, which was given to me, and all you have to do, and look at that, it has these stickers, like you can stick that in the sink. So once it's stick, you just rinse it, and look at that, it's like you can just clean. It's so easy. You can just clean your brush. Look at that. That goes so smoothly. I'll show you from close look. Look at that. It has different shapes, and it seems actually it's doing a really good job. And that's the way I can clean my brushes as well. This one I think was bought from TK Maxx. I think you can find it, but I'm sure you can find it pretty much in any shops, like beauty shops. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything, and I will try to do my best to do as much as possible videos.